Log into the ICTSchool web portal. Select the main menu, Student Information. Select the submenu, Student Admission, and click on it. Page opens. Enter the required information in the desired field. Family ID, enter the student's family ID. Refer by family, enter the referring family's name or ID. About family behavior, write a short note. Guardian's detail, enter father's mobile number. Father's name, enter father's full name. Add local guardian mobile number, if available. Academic details. Class, select the class for admission. Section, choose the section. Monthly fee discount. Registration number, card, roll number. Group, choose group, science or arts. Student's detail, enter the student's first name and last name. Gender, select gender. Date of birth, enter date of birth. B-Form/CNIC, add B-Form or CNIC number. Photo, upload student's photo. Present address, enter current address. Admission fee. Other details, religion, blood group, nationality, extracurricular activities. Remarks, click the Add button. Save the admission record.